What's good? What's good? What's good? We are live. I hope you all have been having a good time. These markets have not been forgiving at all, but regardless, you just have to not get burnt. So currently we're all this there's a ledge right here. So currently what I'm seeing, I just want some quick scalp and I'm out. So there's a note right here. Currently bullish, still bullish. So at the start of the week, we were actually meant to get in around this place. I currently have a trade on my sim. I've been trading for some time now, but yesterday it was a big massive drop. Yesterday or previous day. All about rates and stuff. That was huge. So we have another. If this doesn't hold, I really want this not to be inverted. That would mean if a candle close below this zone, probability is we are going to this weekly, level right here. Then maybe a bounce back or something. Regardless, so there is initial balance, 15 minutes. So a closure below and 5 minutes to be inverted. That would be good for a sell right here. And this inversion on 5 minutes. Right here will then take like a buy. So I just want to see if it closes below. That would be a very beautiful trade to take. I'll not try and CVD looking good. We just want to close this candle in the next 4 minutes and stuff. If we close bearish, and then I'll take sell below. But if we don't close, then this will be affecting all this big trade will be squeezed. But we're looking good on CVD, So that continuation and stuff. I think this is daily low right here. Maybe I can take on that. I would love to see this be inverted and all these sellers to be rewarded in a way. But if we close in, still fine, but the next candle needs to close bearish, not bullish. Let's see what TPO is saying. So near that ledge. So if we don't hold, where else are we going? I'd love to know where. There's another ledge right here, which is I think this is where just price is going, just to test right there. And yeah, it's gone. So I think testing 24 3 2 3 24 3 2 3 24 3 2 3. Actually, the low of the day. These to close in here be my confirmation to get into the sun. So 15 minutes we take. Then this is our POC right here. So probability is gonna get our limit right here. Just want this to close. So this imbalance right here has been respected, which means this is a resistance right here, but this one has been whipped. Some few seconds to go. Then that's a confirmation of my bias to go into a sell right there. So I just wait a bit. So right there, for my stop loss right there. I target this low, which is 24,318, 24,318. That's okay. Just move. So we'll be testing, right? And I think we'll have a drop after that. So it's going to, if that close, we're going to test 24 to 8, 24 to 8, 24. CVD looking good. So low, today's low. I just moved my stop to break even. I just want to flush. Yeah. Wait, I was not out, so I'll trade. I just trade. Yeah. Just in case he flips. More sellers coming in. They're looking good. So they're looking good. Oh, sorry. So the reason as to why I think we might be having like, let's just and trail. That's what I'm gonna do. It's just trail. More sellers coming in, big trades. Oh, my bad. We just move us to and trail to that. Oh, more buyers coming in around this place. We out of that trade. I wanted to trail. Yeah, I wanted to trail it actually. I wanted to move to just try and trail as we go down. But that was a very beautiful trade. That was a very beautiful trade. That's actually like around we 50 something points or something. That could have been train. Beautiful trade. I was smiling outside, fighting inside, acting strong but slowly losing my mind. Yeah, depression kicked in, my body felt weak, so lost so much weight, and something wrong with me. My heart was bleeding, your thoughts choking me, baby. I needed it to end, I was drowning deep. I ain't going back, no, I won't repeat. But listen close, yeah, this is me. I want you to be. I think studio will have a verb, and if we check like 9:30 open, then like around maybe 10, actually 10, yeah, buyers being squeezed, sellers, more sellers coming in, you know. So this done. Low of the day right here. I should be removing these ones. Yeah. I don't know where my footprint went. Yeah. I like how price is pushing lower, but you know, CVD is not really supporting that. So let's say if we have this inversion, but probability is really going lower. There is no. This is 5 minutes. Let's see 15. Let me just check on. Yeah, right now I've been squeezed on my sim. I don't know if it will hold again, but even that, as long as it doesn't close on this inversion right here, 24068, 24068, 24068. Actually, it's inside that. So let's see what price is doing right now. See if we can get buyers coming in. I just want this inversion to be if we close inside this, then we have a setup for a beautiful correction right there. If we close above, I might take sellers coming in, then probabilities I'll just take one. But no inside that could that mean just a test. But I like how we push lower, so all these sellers right here, only testing that low. If I see CVD above right here, I might take a quick buy. I just want it to close above. If it closes above, then we might be targeting right here. Even if it's not with me, the pressure can kill my body flowing. Lost so much weight that there's something wrong with me. My heart is beating, your thoughts choking me. A closure. I just need a closure. That's it. That's the only thing I need. Just need a closure above here, and we're in for another quick counter trend trade, which my stop loss will be way tight. Yeah, I'm in on that trade, so I'll just trail. Actually, I'm just targeting right here. That's what I'm targeting right now. Why did it not pop on this? Yeah, we just in case. I want you strong, I want you safe. Even if it means we're not the same, I ain't going back, but I still pray that you rise up on your on that. Stretch your hand out, don't let go. That's how I want you. I'll be out near this 24294. That's where I'll be out. We don't have interest. We just want to close this. I just trail to break even as soon as we hit So now as we close above there. Yeah, I'm out of that trade. Out of that trade. But it might be finding support, but I don't like how CVD is looking. It's still bearish. Just testing that. So right here, we're just testing right here. If we get another inversion, like closing above, then below. I like how this is looking. I don't think we will be having another push to the downside. Will this bias hold right here? Yeah, pure manipulation right here. Oh, but this might be holding, and so what y'all think? Will we see a push to the downside and stuff? That image is looking bearish, But I like. I want to say I like this to take this trade. I wanted to take that trade. Oh, this exhaustion right here. This buyers coming to protect this zone. I'll just take another buy right there. Stop loss below here. And actually, we should be targeting these highs. What is right there? That low. Yeah. I'm still in for a buy, I'm still in for a buy. So if we push a little bit below, you know what? Just take a buy right here, put my stop below and risk maybe 200 like that. Let's see high, then try put right there. I'll just take it right there. Let's see if my analysis is wrong. Sellers coming in, CVD really looking bearish. with this hole. I think we're just playing on that TPU ledge, and it's so that's low ledge. We down 24 to 7, 24 to 7-1. Yeah, it will flash. It will flash. I'll be out of that trade right now. How can I flatten that? I just want to flatten it. Then chill. I'm just being honest, I'm moving steady. You can't buy success, ain't got no sale on it. You know that guy that he never gon' fail on it. Too much paper got me thinking I'ma save all this. I know the ops want it, they love it. Two-tone got a bust down like whoa. The streets crazy, they don't love me no more. Not one for pressure, but I'll bang for my bro. Walking in Giuseppe, I be 10 on my toes. Welcome all the smoke. Mama pray for me so I think today we're gonna end. We have a very expanded cash session. Probability is today we're gonna bring. So I'll still look for buys into New York Open. We have had a very good initial balance type of I promised that I would let her die for it. You just had to fucking let me. Now I'm married to the game, I'm in that. I'ma change, I'ma buy me some gold. 3 baddies trying to make room for some more. Life learning lessons cause you read what you sow. Walking in Giuseppe, I pretend on my toes. You know I welcome all the first So I'ma pray for me so I won't fall. I think right here is our buy. I be stressing out, but nobody knows. Because if we have more sellers right here and CVD, the volume is not like way too much, then that means this CVD looking good. I think I just want to in the next 15 minutes, like price to close in. Let's see how this plays out. So we have like a resistance around 2427. If we see a very massive push to the upside, probability is gonna hold. But I think we have exhausted this open. I'm not seeing it like you guys. You're not seeing CVT. So let's see if CVD support this narrative. So I want to see price pushing and breaking this, and actually I'll be targeting that as my high. She made it clear, said she ain't gonna die from my drip. I So we'll be going back to that, which this I don't like how it look, but that's what we're gonna hold. It's funny how no buyers coming in. So I'll just try and cover myself right there. Entry. If that doesn't hold, how is TPO looking like? So still, did we hold this ledge, or we just testing it? I might be testing it, so let's go to get something. But I still have that bullish vibe. I just cover myself right here, just in case. That doesn't hold, yeah, that'll be my last trade for today. We're just chopping around that ledge, and yeah, one more. 200 bucks. I think it's gonna hold. It will hold. I'll position myself another buy right there, and I will just put my stop right there, and I will trade this back to open. Yeah. If we break right here, then probability is we're gonna be testing this out, and I would love this one to be inverted in a way, so that this ledge to hold, I'm sorry about that. Shit. Who knows? I might be wrong. So there is this this inversion right here on 1 minute. Probability if we like if we push below here, probability is we're gonna have a big massive like push to the downside. It just held. Maybe we flushed out right here. If we close above, right here, that'd be good. Don't let go. That's how I want you to save me. That's how I want you to save me. So on the 5 minutes, we're just consolidating. We have tested that, breakout, and closing above will be good, just to test today's initial balance. 15 minutes. I like the 15 minutes. I don't know about the one, but 15 minutes for me works. Depression kicked in, yeah, my body felt weak. Yeah, lost so much weight, they thought something wrong with me. My heart was bleeding, yeah, thoughts choking me out. I needed it to end, I was drowning. Funny how I play strong like I don't miss you now. Consolidating right there. I didn't need to shut the door that hard. All I wanted was a moment, not a scar. I said, go away from me. If we close, if we get stopped out, that'll be, my last trade. I'll not look for me trying to catch some, home runs and stuff. So 24 277 24 277. This is one I'm trying to target that, and my stop is around here 24 236 right there. Let me just get this out of there. Just consistency, something I can hold. I don't need flowers from a store downtown. Just turn the love you planted in the 24 to 70. Yeah, that's close to my. Just know I'll still be here when So we're seeing some sales coming in, big trades, the downside. CVD looking bullish. Actually, I want it to be around here. 24, 37. It's just chopping. Two minutes to the close. CVD looking like consolidating as well. So you have that down. Same. I would say there is a support on the CVD right here. That like 24 to 60 and stuff. I think the way it's holding, I like how it's holding there, right there. You know, I like how it's holding. So this is, if we're talking about initial balance, this is 1 hour initial balance low right there. So, and this is the initial balance high. So let's wait and see. What is TPO doing? I like to see how TPO is doing, you know. So value area low 24 396 24 396 24 39 396 396. Oh. Let's see if this one holds. If it doesn't, then probability is gonna push high, low. High is 24,327. So we're testing that, that breakout one more time. So I'll try to trade and not expose myself that much, and I'll be putting right there near 24, 284, 284. Usually, just risk it all. I don't know if we will hold or what. I'm not sure, but we'll be trading. That's the best way to protect yourself, is to trade. I would love to see more buyers coming in. CVD looking absolutely beautiful, but also remember CVD has I'll trade until here, just to bet that we might be pushing above that. I just want to see all those buyers coming in. I don't know if we're gonna push that, but if we push, I'll just trail. I just want to see a CVD open that, that high. Yeah, more buyers coming in. Beautiful. Back to this low right here. 5 minutes. Let's see if we have that inversion. So I'll trade to right there, and I'm out of that trade, and I'm okay being out. I'm okay being out. Beautiful. Yeah. Back to daily low. Previously low. Awesome. 30 points. Yeah, I'm out, and I'm okay being out. Back where we started, is weird. Like, we had this breakout right here. Actually, wait, around here. Yeah. You know, if we check all our trades, I can just put, you know, yeah, beautiful, but we're getting more reds. All these buyers squeeze right here. If this hold, we'll not take a trade though, but we'll just see what happens here, right here. I think it's just testing. Then this will act as a support. Then we will see like so limit will be right here. Said it before. Not for me, but the life you're living for. I want you strong, I want you safe, even if it means we're not the same. I ain't going back, but I still pray that you rise up on your darkest day. I'm tempted to take another buy right there. Let's see if this one would actually work out. Buy here, target this high, and stop loss below. Let's see. I'll not be taking that trade, but let's see if our analysis will be right. Then if we have this inversion right here, it will be a confirmation we're going up. Took it lightly, now I'm staring at an empty screen. Never saw her face again the moment that I fucked things. I tried to fix it, doubled up, called a couple friends, but she already moved, guess she did the most in the end. Some things break once, they can never be saved. That chapter closed fast, yeah, she turned the page. Wanted you back, that was old news, but my heart didn't get the memo too. I was smiling outside, fighting inside, acting strong but slowly losing my mind. Pressure kicked in, yeah, my body felt weak. Lost so much weight, they thought something wrong with me. My heart was bleeding, yeah, that's choking me bleed. I needed it to end, I was drowning deep. I ain't going back, no, I won't repeat. But listen close, yeah, this is me. I want you to be okay. Stretch your hand out, pull yourself up, save me. If we close above right here, then probability is maybe we just flash this. Every song on the radio say your name. Every street corner still feel the same. I broke myself trying to prove I could change, but love don't work when it's still pain. I was singing fast, couldn't feel the ground, smiling for the world while I'm going down. I ain't perfect, I know my flaws, but I loved you loud even when I was wrong. If healing means letting go of me, then I hope you find peace even if it's not with me. Depression kicked in, yeah, my body felt weak. Got so much weight. If you haven't checked my last live, you should just go click that like and share button for some good juice. So if this was low, higher low, lower low, lower low, lower high, lower high, then and started consolidating. Then we break this. Do you think it can hold, or because of that pressure? Remember, we are on that the bullish order block like that, and actually we're if we check weekly how weekly is doing, I'm being stopped out. Wait, this is 1 hour. 1 hour is not yet closed, right? So yeah, we close in. So I might be getting out of this trade. I don't know right here. I don't think today. It will be an in day. Um, day type of day. I don't think we'll be having like massive to the downside. Weekly low is around the corner. So maybe if we have like after lunch or so, maybe a flash to the downside, then tap that weekly order block right there. That'll be a very massive big swing. You can imagine if we caught this daily order block, supply zone. That would be a very massive, trade. So we were bullish heading to we never close above. Then yeah, that was a beautiful catch. I wonder how next week it will look like. Maybe we'll be having a in day or something week, that consolidating week. Remember, this is our initial balance low, so a closure below. I might see a flash, but what I'm seeing right now is us going back to all these imbalances we created. We are going lower. So we came back to value area low. You can see today this is where we're just accumulating right here. So you're seeing some big trades, buyers trying to take control. Remember also CBD is bullish. It's not bearish, it's bullish. Now you're seeing more big trades coming in from sellers. So 24,372. If we close above, then this will hold. Pure manipulation. She made it clear that she ain't gonna die for my drink. I laughed it up, played cool, thought it was a little thing. See how funny it is? So that 1 hour initial balance, right? Then all of a sudden price is trying to consolidate, get more, people thinking, you know what, we're gonna go low. So you're seeing sellers coming in, buyers taking over, sellers coming in, buyers taking over. Everyone is being shocked right here. You know, 30 minutes have not tried to close below, even it has not tested this low previous 30 minutes. Beyond that order block right there.
Sleepless nights staring at the ceiling fan, arguing with memories.
5 minutes looking good. TPO looking good. We might just see us going back to this zone 24,396. But CVD is not in support of this move. It's bearish. If we could have seen if we were on in this trade and see here what price was doing around here, I like coming around here, probability we're gonna move and we'll be stopped out. This is just chopping. I think anything above this high to be substantially to take.
If you hear my voice when the nights get long, just know I meant it all along. I want you, yeah, I've said it before. Not for me.
Ratio is 1:1.7.
I want you strong, I want you safe. Even if it means we're not the same, I ain't going back, but I still pray that you rise up on your darkest days. Stretch your hand out, don't let go.
10 minutes to go.
I want you to say, yeah. That's how I want you to say. I love you.
Will we see a reload of more buyers or?
I lost my way somewhere in another galaxy. Too much to take. These memories ending tragic. And all of these places, all of these faces, I didn't want to let you.
Supposed to be here.
And all these mistakes, when I can't replace it, I gotta move on somehow. Feeling energy
A closure below, that would mean.
all I really need is one thing. Feeling energy on me. Baby, can you make a wish for me? Feeling energy on me. When it's 11:11, I need it. Feeling energy on me. Baby, can you make a wish for me?
our closure below that, I mean, yeah, we just targeting here. I'm just targeting this 24 to 4. You can't buy success, ain't got no sell on. You know that God, he never gon' fail on. Too much paper got me thinking I'ma save all this. I know that I've wanted they love it. Two-tone got the bust down like whoa. Yeah, I think 24 to 5, 6. Yeah, this would have been a loss if we would have held, but probability is around right here will be out of that trade. Could have gotten out very early because we're still on a downtrend, right? But it's still 70 is still bullish. Yeah. I'm still in support of these buys right here. Anyways, you all have a beautiful weekend. Stay safe.